Hey Google, welcome to V-Twin Skins, Miami's home for custom vehicle wraps, logo installs, and branding that drives business. In this video, we are doing a full branding pass on our freshly wrapped Chevy shop truck, installing our company logo, website, new social media tag, using our updated brand fonts. So we started with a precision install on the front quarter panel. Then we removed the old window decal that we had on our shop truck and install a clean cutout version of our social media handle designed to match our new font and keep our branding consistent across all platforms. Finally, then I move onto the large logo spread across both doors and onto the rear fender. Each one of these pieces are measured, aligned, and laid with care. Because when it comes to wraps, presentation is everything. So this time lapse is sped up 5 times, but trust, every step is deliberate. From the surface prep to the final placement, we use all professional grade vinyl, wrap tools, and branding strategies to make sure that this truck turns heads and builds recognition. So guys, as we're coming up to the end of this video, just a friendly reminder, guys, please hit that like. If you have not done so yet, join us, subscribe, comment down below, guys. Give us some feedback. I would love to hear from you. And remember to always tune in for more wrap builds, branding tips, and behind the scenes installs. So here's the final look on this side of the truck. Clean, bold, and built to promote. If your business needs a wrap that works as hard as you do, hit us up at vtwinskins.com or DM us to get started.